Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. A great tutorial screen recorder can simplify the process of recording tutorials. Whether you are demonstrating how to use a product, teaching a skill, or guiding your audience through a setup, you need a reliable screen recorder to easily record high-quality tutorials. In this review, we'll take you through tips and tools for success and how to screen record tutorials easily and efficiently. Let's dive in it right now. To create high-quality tutorials, first and foremost, we shall proceed with choosing the right screen recording tool. Many traditional options lack essential features, making the process tedious. That's where FocuSee stands out. It's an all-in-one tool that combines screen recording, automatic focus, subtitle generation, and basic video editing, turning screen recordings into eye-catching automatically. Before you start recording, the preparation is crucial and essential. Firstly, plan your steps and write a detailed outline to keep your recording organized. Test your settings, adjust the in-screen presentation, and be prepared to turn on your microphone and webcam or not to avoid surprises while recording. After clicking the record button, you will enter the recording countdown page, and the 3 seconds countdown will take you to the recording page. If there is an error, you can use the one-click pause and resume function, and you can click the delete button in the recording page to end this recording directly without saving. Once the recording is complete, you will be automatically redirected to the recording editing screen. FocuSee built-on video editing tools can be used to enhance the visual appeal and attractiveness of the video. If you have the webcam turned on, place the webcam as a small circle or square in the corner of the screen to avoid distraction. You can change the size and style of the video canvas according to your own preferences, while the size, style, and clicking effect of the cursor are always optional. You can see that following your mouse clicks and movements, your video has automatically generated a zoom effect. You can adjust the frame rate of motion blur during zoom. More surprisingly, FocuSee can record both internal and external audio to enable automatic generation of subtitles and manual adjustment of subtitles to clarify steps and reinforce key points. Even add custom watermarks to your videos to prevent your tutorials from being stolen. After editing is completed, you can export the video in high quality at 4K 60 FPS and even choose GIF export, which is perfect for creating guides of different lengths. After following all these steps mentioned above, now you are able to quickly make your tutorials more richly focused. Well, it's just so simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you find this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials in the future. See you next time. Peace.